everyone. I'm just filming this really short video on this very dark, dreary, rainy day, which is why the video is so dark, because I got some new stickers that were specifically made for the Plum Paper Planner. Most of the time I end up buying Erin Condren type stickers, even though they don't exactly fit. I'm sorry, you hear the puppy whining in the background. But I found this cute little Etsy shop from, I think it's from Japan? Yes, from Japan. And she makes stickers specifically for the plum paper sizes of box. And so I ordered one of the monthly kits, and I ordered the December one because I didn't know how long it would take to get here. And it only took about 2 weeks, I think. I'm really, really excited. And I wanted to open, this is November, but you can see. And I just wanted to see, because I would really love it if sometimes the stickers would actually fit the boxes in my planner. Sorry for all the rattling. There's a little note that says, "Thank you for ordering this time. I'm so happy to see you. Please let me know if you have any problems. I hope you will like the monthly kit." Oh, and it comes with a cute little freebie. How can I open this without... Oh, okay, there we go. Sorry, puppy's still... Aw, and that's a nice, like a full little half sheet. That's awesome. Very cute. But here's what I ordered. It's the monthly kit. It has the week part, which I think should fit up there. Yes, look at that. I'm so excited. It'll actually fit. Ah, so excited. Oh, and it actually comes with a little monthly kit header example. Oh, how cute. That's awesome. Very nice touch. And then it comes with the date stickers and a bunch of little flags and bill due, and then boxes that fit perfectly in the boxes. Makes my little OCD heart so happy. And then a bunch of other little icons. So I'm very excited, and puppy's going crazy. Sorry about that. Yeah, anyway, very short video. I just wanted to introduce this shop to you. I haven't seen it around, I'm sure somebody's done it, but I hadn't seen it around YouTube. It's called KMStickers at Plans with Wine on Instagram. Okay, that's because I used a coupon code. Oh, that's right. Okay, I was like, I don't think that's the shop Instagram. But no, so I used a coupon code from Plans with Wine on Instagram to get, I think it was 10% off or 15% off, something like that. Let me see. I've got the receipt here. Well, it doesn't actually say, but anyway, I think it was 10% off. So yeah, awesome. And so I guess since I used that code, that was why I got the free half sheet, which is really cool. Anyway, I'm really excited to use these. You'll see them again in December. Again, it's KMStickers on Etsy. Definitely check it out. It was a great little kit, especially if you have a Plum Paper Planner. I'm sure they would work in some other planner, just like the Erin Condren stickers always work in the Plum Planner. Puppy is going crazy. Yeah, so anyway, make sure you check it out.